Well, how are you all doing? It's a while since I did one of these, isn't it? So, by request, I'm going to do Red Guitar by David Sylvian. It's off Brilliant Trees and a couple of compilation albums and stuff. But it was the first big single after Japan. And bass is actually kind of handy for the verses, so we'll do that. There's one little thing, technique-wise, that'll be a bit of a journey. All right. So let's do what we always do. Play along and we'll see how we get on. I'm going to use this thing. Look, this is an SR300. Look at the colour of that. Isn't that pretty? It's kind of metallic-y green. There you go. That's nice. All right, let's get going. Okay, so the bass player in this is a guy called Wayne Braithwaite. I don't know much about him. He played in, I think, all of this album, Brilliant Trees. But can you imagine going in for the session? You know, who are we playing with today? David Sylvian. Yeah, man, Japan, is it? Yeah. Who was his bass player again? Mick Kern. Oh, Jesus. Right. I'm not feeling great. I'm going to go home. That's what I do anyway. Okay, so we're going to start on the 3rd fret of the A. Now, one more thing. There's a chorus pedal on this. Okay, so if a chorus pedal is so cheap these days, I use the multi-effects, the Zoom multi-effects. Everyone keeps asking me that. I'll go through that one day. There's a cheap-ass chorus. That's the Dan Electro Fab. Those in the know will know why that's funny for me. Any kind of chorus, just jack it up. Just make sure it's a good strong signal. Right, so I'll just show you what a chorus does. It's that swimmy, and this is it without it. Hang on. If I can. Now you're hearing a lot of the string noise because of the mic over my head, but then you put on your chorus. Okay, and he's playing harmonics with the chorus. We'll get to that. Okay, so we're going to start on the 3rd fret of the A string to the 3rd fret of the E string to the 3rd fret of the A string, open E string, and your harmonic. So what you do is you go to the 5th fret of the G string and play a harmonic. Okay, now here's where all the more experienced bass players get annoyed at me for explaining this. But if you don't know what a harmonic is, and this is a really kind of beginnersy bit, this whole first thing, how it works is this, right? You play, in this case, over the 5th fret, but you don't kind of fret it, like, it's not that. You just rest your finger on the actual bar of the fret over it, but only rest your finger on the string. Right, so if you were to do it anywhere else, you just get a loud noise. It's like it's just barely touch the string and then get your finger away as quick as you can when you hit the note, right? Now they're all over the neck. Right? There's people on, I'm sure there's loads of lads that'll show you how to play a harmonic. But anyway, 5th fret. And you get your finger away as quick as you can. Try leave it ringing because that's part of the magic. It nearly sounds like 2 instruments because this thing is ringing out. So the other one was on the 9th fret on the same string. And there's one more difference as well. Normally I would play harmonics with my finger. But I think he could be using his fingernail. Just a bit sharper or something. And the other thing you need to do is roll if you have a 2 pickup bass, roll back towards the back pickup. And the reason for that is, I'll show you, is, so here's the front pickup, same harmonic, right? In the middle, same harmonic. Here is a bit clearer. And at the back pickup, same harmonic. So there's something about the back pickup that favours those harmonic sounds and just be easier for you to do. If you haven't got a 2 pickup bass or whatever, I'm sure you'll manage, right? So from the top, we're going to go C, the 3rd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the A, open E, and harmonic on the 5th on the G. You need the way they're both ringing? Try leave that ringing. How you do? Just don't touch the string again as you loop your hand around. 3rd fret on the A, to the 2nd fret on the A, to the 3rd fret on the E, to the 2nd fret on the A. And then the second, you play that whole thing again, but this time instead of playing the harmonic on the 5th fret, you play it on the 9th fret. So from the top it's slow, obviously. And it round again, same thing again. You know. 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret on the E, 2nd fret on the A. Okay, now the next thing that happens is there's a build up. It's Ryuichi Sakamoto on piano. My God, amazing. And you'll hear it build up. As it's coming into that, he goes open A, B, 2nd fret of the A, and 3rd fret of the A. So it's the same pattern with the harmonics, but he just introduces a little run up to the C. And so instead of just a C, dun, 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 dun. There's a little run up to it. And then the only one little bit you need now to get you into the chorus is the now you could be doing it here, but I don't think so. I think it's here. So I'll show you both ways and you can do whatever suits you. Right, so we're going to start. This is the little, it's a little figure that actually brings you right into the chorus, okay? So we're going to go 5th fret on the A string, 7th fret on the A string, 5th fret on the D string, 7th fret on the A string, 5th fret on the A string. So you have to forgive me, you're hearing a lot of noise from behind the string because I have the mic on over my head and the action's set quite low on this. So it's okay, that's one way. And practice it till you can get it fast enough. Or there's another way of doing it which is down here. I don't think that's it, but I've no way of knowing. So open D to the 2nd fret on the D, open G string to the 2nd fret on the D string to the open D. Now that might be easier for you to do, and if that's the case and it's easier for you to do, well then do it that way. Actually it might be that because the next note is a G. Yeah, it might be the open one. Anyway, you do whichever one suits you, and I'll be back tomorrow with the chorus. And the end, there's a key change which brings up the whole thing, which makes it interesting. And then after the solo, they key change it back to where it started. It's just brilliant. All right, thanks very much for tuning in so far. I'll catch you on the next part.